All right, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Coming back with a second video here. First, when we release this, I just wanted to catch this video and get this installed done before I lost my head. There was a honey-do list that I did not complete yet. And as I was taking care of my last project, I did notice that the graphics were sitting here that I need to install in the door, and I did not install it yet. So we're gonna have at it. No tools necessary, peel and stick. We got this awesome laundry room signage that's gonna go right on the laundry room door. Again, tune in, stand by. We'll be back with you shortly. All right, now that we got that on the door itself, we're gonna go ahead and peel the paper off. That way we can allow it to show itself and see what it does. I'm taking my time here because again, I don't want to peel the actual letters off. I used another piece of paper to flatten out to allow it to adhere to the door itself, which is going to make this part that much easier. I'm using very little force, more of a patience game than anything else. Again, just making sure that I'm not pulling the letters off as it's coming off here. And voila, tell me what you think. Thank you again for tuning in. That is that. Hopefully the wife likes it, enjoys it. I used no leveler for the to make it straight as possible. It was eyeball, so hopefully it's not crooked. Thanks for tuning in. Again, like and subscribe. Leave any comments below.